practical now. Okay, all are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
chalo then. Just present my screen. So this is our practical. To verify relation between phase and line quantities in three-phase balanced star and delta connection of the load. Okay, so whenever we say that it is three-phase supply, okay, so there will be three phases in the load. Like this is the first phase. Okay, so this is the impedance in the first phase. Impedance means it can be resistive, inductive, capacitive, or combination. Okay, so we call that as impedance. So this is the impedance in the first phase. This is the impedance in the second phase. And this is the impedance in the third phase. Okay, so this is a three-phase load. So there are three phases, and the three phases are represented by three colors R, Y, and B. Okay, so we can connect this three phase in star or in delta. Okay, so star fashion or in the delta fashion. So when I say that I'm connecting this three phase load in the star fashion means you can see in case of star, if this is R1, R2, this is Y1, Y2, and this is B1, B2. So what you can observe is all ones or all twos we connect together, okay, to form this neutral. So suppose this is R1, R2, this is Y1, Y2, and this is B1, B2. Now I want to connect this load in star. So what I will do, I will connect all ones or all twos together. Suppose I connect all ones together. So this is connected in star. Can you see? All ones or all twos connected together, it will form a star. Understood how to connect the load in star?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when you connect it in star, this point is it at same potential. All the three terminals are at same potential. Hence, we call it neutral. Okay, so this forms the neutral terminal. Okay, so in case of star, we get a neutral terminal. Okay, now this same three-phase load, I can connect in delta. So when I'm connecting it in delta, so when I'm connecting this in delta, so how you connect delta? So this is terminal 1, 2. Okay, this is 1, 2. This is 1, 2. Okay, so this is R phase, Y phase, and B phase. So what we are doing, end of one phase is connected to the start of next phase. End of one is connected to start of next. End of one is connected to start of next. So just see, end of one is connected to the start of next. End of one is connected to the start of next. End of one is connected to the start of next. So it is forming a closed loop, and we say that it is connected in delta. Got it?
Yes.
So how you can connect load in star and how you can connect load in delta. Okay, now the same thing. So there is three phase supply R, Y, and B. So now I show it with different colors. So R, Y, and B. So this is the three phase supply that is coming. Okay, so three phase 415 volts. Here I am having a load. That load, here I am having a load, and that load I am connecting in star. Okay, so even here I will show with the colors only. So this is the R phase. Okay, this is so R phase. Then Y phase. And B phase. So the three phase load is connected in star, and three phase supply we will give to that load. Okay, so this is the impedance in all the phases. So this is Z in the first phase, this is Z in the second phase, this is Z in the third phase. Now in case of star, we know we get a neutral point. So this is the neutral point, okay, of the star. Now we will connect R to R supply to R, Y supply to the Y phase, okay, and B supply to the B phase. Understood the connections? And neutral to neutral. So there is a neutral here on the supply side also, and neutral. So that day I explained, from MSCB, that transformer is star connected, and there we have the neutral. So this is the terminal that we get from MSCB, R, Y, B and N. And this is our load having R, Y, B and N. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here there are two sides, supply side and the load side. So this is called as the supply side. This is called as the load side. So supply side is called as a line side. So supply side is called as a line side, whereas the load side is called as the phase side. Okay. And on both the sides we have voltage and current. So we will have voltage and current here. Similarly, we will have voltage and current here. So this voltage is called as line voltage. This current is called as line current. This voltage is called as phase voltage. This current is called as phase current. Okay. So this is the line side. This is phase side. So there are four terms. Four terms are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to derive the relation between line voltage, phase voltage. And what is the relation between line current and phase current? Got today's experiment? What is the experiment? So what is relation between them? Understood? Experiment. What is today's experiment?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, can you explain VL, IL terminologies again?
Yes. So this is the supply coming from MSCB, and this is our load. Our load we have connected in star. Means what we have done? One terminal of each load we have connected together. It has formed a star. The other terminals we have connected to the supply. Okay. So as this is star, we have neutral point here. So this neutral is connected to supply neutral. Okay. Now the supply side is called as the line side and load is called as the phase side. Okay. On both the sides there is voltage and current. Even on this side we have voltage and current. Till here it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So the voltage on the supply side is called as line voltage and current flowing through this lines is called as line current. Okay. Whereas, so the voltage voltmeter is always connected across, right? So this will be the first line voltage between RY. Okay. So the first line voltage is VRY. Okay. We connect voltmeter across, no? So one end is connected to R, another to Y. So the first line voltage is VRY. Okay. सेकंड व्होल्टेज काय असणार? सेकंड व्होल्टमीटर वाय आणि बी ला कनेक्ट करणार, तर व्ही वाय बी. And third voltage will be VBR. So these are the three line voltages, RY, YB, BR. Okay. And current ammeter is always connected in series. मग ammeter आपण कुठे कनेक्ट करणार? इकडे सिरीज मध्ये करणार. ठीक आहे. म्हणजे मग हा ammeter काय मेजर करणार? IR. बरोबर.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
मग तीन लाईन करंट्स कुठले आहेत आपल्याकडे? तर तीन लाईन करंट्स आहेत आपल्याकडे, IR, IY and IB. Got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And on this side, first I will connect a voltmeter. So voltmeter is connected across. So one end is of the voltmeter is connected here to R terminal. another end is connected here to neutral. Okay, so this voltage is called as VRN. One end to R, another end to neutral. Okay, we can ignore this neutral. So what name will I give to this voltage? Phase voltage? VR. Yes or no? एक एंड आर लाई, दूसरा न्यूट्रल लाई. न्यूट्रल I can skip. So what name can I give this to is VR. Okay. Okay students.
Yes, ma'am.
Second voltage ला मी काय नाव देणार? One end to Y, another one end to Y, another end to neutral. So what name will I give?
Bye.
VY. Third voltage, what name will I give?
VB.
VB. ठीक है? Current. Now tell me, in case of star, whatever current is flowing in the line, will the same current flow in the phase? Is there any other path for the current to flow? Tell me. Same. So even in case of phase, I will have same currents, IR. Similarly, current flowing in Y will flow like this in the line. Same current will go in the phase. So the name will be IY. Similarly, in B, whatever is the current flowing in the line, same will flow in the phase. Okay. So what relation can you conclude between line and phase quantity in case of star? I can say that line current is equal to phase current. Can I say this? Currents are same, no? Whatever is the current in the line, same is in the phase.
Yes, ma'am.
And we have to derive relation between line voltage and phase voltage. Okay, so that relation which we have to derive, we will derive that in theory. Right now I will directly tell you the relation. So the relation is line voltage is √3 times phase voltage. So this relation we will derive in our theory lecture. Okay. So in case of star, line current is equal to phase current, whereas line voltage is √3 times phase voltage. Is it clear? Okay. Now next we go to the next page. We go to delta. Okay. So in case of delta, again, three phases I will show. So this is R, this is Y, and this is B coming from MSCB. Okay. Now we will show our load. So this is R. We are connecting the load in delta. So R, this is Y, and this is B. So we have connected the load in delta. So this is our R point. This is our R point. This is our Y point. Okay, and this is our B point. So we will connect R to R, Y to Y, and B to B. Okay. So in case of delta, what we see is again the line and phase quantity. So this is the line side, this is the phase side. First the voltage. Okay, so first voltmeter is connected here. Voltmeter is always connected across. So one end to R, another end to Y. So what name will I give to first voltage? VRY.
VRY.
Second voltage, one end to Y, another end to B. So what name will I give?
VYB.
VYB. And third will be VBR. Okay. VBR. So these are all which voltages? Line voltage. Okay. So line voltage equal to this. Now we will see what is phase voltage equal to. So on the phase side, I will connect a voltmeter like this. Okay, one end is connected to R, another end to Y. So what name will I give?
VY.
VRY. Yes or no? Similarly, second name, what it will be? Second voltmeter. One end to Y, second end to B. So what name will I give?
VYB.
VYB. Yes. VYB. And third will be
VBR.
VBR. Okay. So what we can see in case of delta? Is this same?
VL is equal to VPH.
Yes. So VL is equal to VPH. Now in this the currents are not same. So current is what is the relation? Now I will tell you directly. We will verify this by taking readings. But in theory we will see the derivation. Okay. So the relation is line current is √3 times the phase current. Okay. So this is the relation. Fine. So now what is our conclusion? So what is our conclusion? Tell me. In case of star, what is the relation? In case
VL
of
is equal
star,
to √3 pH.
yes. In case of star, line